Growing is uncomfortable, but that doesn't mean it's not worth it. Being far away from family and from your culture and your core, your roots, it's very challenging, but I couldn't be more grateful for taking that step and having my parents push me to take that step. That if I were still in high school and I had to pick a university, I would a million times over pick Lakehead and come to Canada. It's just been an overall amazing experience for me. So my name is Tania Olivares Espinosa. I am from the state of Mexico, and I'm graduating from the Environmental Sustainability program. Growing up, I wanted to be a bunch of different things. One day I wanted to be a veterinarian, and then one day I wanted to be a scientist and a fashion designer. But when I was in middle school, I had an environmental education class, and I learned that you can actually build a career off of protecting the environment. It was like a light bulb moment. I was like, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. So one of my favorite experiences here at Lakehead have been field school periods. It's really fun to get to learn all about the environment in the classroom, but when you get to go outside and actually see and touch what you've learned about, that gives it an extra value, especially when it came to writing my honors thesis. My honors thesis project was based on the isolation of native bacteria within the soil from 3 different environments: Scout Valley, Couchiching Beach Park, and also the Aurelia West Diversion Site. So basically with those samples, what I did is I scanned it for bacteria, and then I tested it onto 3 different types of plastic to see if they would be able to degrade it. This with the purpose of seeing if plastic degrading bacteria naturally occur in the environment, or if they've adapted to this metabolic trait because of plastic proliferation. So I chose to study in Canada, first of all, because I wanted to make my English a lot better. It was a language that I've been learning for my whole life. I also really wanted the experience to study abroad, and Canada seemed like the perfect option. Even though I had never been to Canada in my life before coming here for school, I was just really enticed by the landscape, the culture, and also the school was a big contributor to me wanting to come to Canada. The fact that it's a smaller class size, it helps you have more personalized learning, which I kind of assumed but didn't know to what extent it would impact me positively. As an international student, there's times where you struggle with grasping knowledge for the language barrier. So it's very helpful to have your professors there to support you at any point. It's been an amazing experience for me, not only in my professional growth, but also personal growth. Leaving my country and being here has been one of the most wonderful experiences in my life. So what I would take with me forever is always be open to learning and to growing, even though it's humbling at times. The outcome is way greater